I can see it in here. Whoa, let's see if we can get it. I can see with my sunglasses on. I can see how round it is if I look in my sunglasses. Yeah, it's still there. It's so cool. Check this out, people. This is behind those clouds. Look at it. Check that out. Did the darkness turn down? Not do the darkness. Check this thing out. That's what it's doing. Oh, it should be getting covered up here. Here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Here it goes, people. Here it goes. Do a close-up of it. Watch, it'll be an eclipse. Eclipse of the heart. Check it out, it's giving a hard time focusing. It should be going away here pretty soon. See, watch, here comes it. It's gonna... Should be gone by now, but look, you can still see it. I can't see it anymore, but watch, if I go up close, there it is, look. It's like it's magnified. What in the world? It should go away here in just a few minutes. Whew. You try holding your arm up with that. Look at this. This is creepy creep. Oh, you got blue skies above over here. That's how dark this shit is. Look at that, people. That's how dark this is gonna be. You can still see that thing in there, but look. It's slow moving. You got some clouds developing there. All those white ones are over there. They're turning gray now. It's crazy looking. These look. The white ones are turning gray. You know how white they were? They were really white.